Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and it's been quite a while since I've placed a video on YouTube. Many of you know that I started making some changes in my topics, not really changes, but additions to my topics, so that I am going to be focused much more this year on transition. I had no idea that that focus would lead me to yet another transition in my life. Thankfully, I am doing well and I am learning a lot more about how to help people deal with change a lot more effectively in their personal lives, in their careers, with their teams at work, and in volunteer assignments. So I want to, first of all, apologize for dropping off the grid for a bit. I needed to regroup. And that's one of the important things we learn about transitions. We don't always move smoothly from one transition to the next. Nevertheless, we do move. And I have made some moves. So I invite you to continue listening to the channel. At the end of June of this year, we will have reached the 5-year mark. And I'm planning something special. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to work out or how you're going to be notified, but there will be something special to celebrate our 5th year of bringing you leadership, communications tips, and now strategies for transition. So I thank those of you who have remained loyal. I want to ensure you that I'm still here, that I'm still well, that I'll be posting again very soon on a regular basis. And I want to encourage you to look at the changes that come into your life as gifts rather than as obstacles. Take care, be well. Thank you so much for being a loyal supporter for so long. And keep checking me out. I have a lot that I'm going to be sharing with you.